Here, what we are discussing in the previous class, we are discussing regarding projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
And what did we studied how to find out the time of light, how to write equations for range, formula for range,
Yes,
how
sir.
to write vertical displacement thing, how to write maximum height formula, and very crucial point that we have seen, for two different angles we'll have same range. We have same range, and if you have same range, the two angles relation is theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees. We have seen.
Yes, sir.
Then we have seen other conclusions. If theta 1 is equal to degrees, then T1 T2 is equal to R square. T1 T2 is equal to 2 by G of R, and H1 H2 is equal to
square by 16.
R square by 16. Some of the conclusions we have seen. Then we used a very simple point. If the projectile is having, if the ball is having same height at two different times, the T1 plus T2 is equal to 2u sin theta by, that's the entire time of light.
Yes, sir.
T2 is equal to 2h by g. From the quadratic we solved that.
Yes, sir.
So that 1 second and 3 seconds question we have done.
Yes, sir.
These are the basics we have studied on projectile motion. Then, if you have to find out another important point is, in whatever the projectile motion that I taught you, the basic projectile, this kind of projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
In this projectile motion, there is no horizontal acceleration. Note point. No horizontal acceleration. Therefore, the horizontal velocity will remain constant. Okay. The next critical point is how to write velocity vector for this projectile. The parts, whatever the ball you have thrown, that might be at this point or this point or this point. How to write the velocity vector? How can we write velocity vector is V velocity vector is equal to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. Horizontal velocity into I vector I cap plus vertical velocity into j cap. How to find out horizontal velocity? Ux plus Ax.
Okay.
That means Ax is 0. Yes. So Ux I cap, which will remain constant through the motion. By is what? Y plus A by t, that is minus gt into j cap. This you can write velocity vector. This can be written or in a more simplified manner. That is u cos theta into I cap plus u sin theta minus gt. If theta is given like this. Theta is given like this.
Understood, sir.
U cos theta, u sin theta minus gt, j cap. And if velocity, that is speed of the particle, is asked for a given period of time, at a given period of time, that is the magnitude of the velocity vector. that will be equal to x component square plus y component square. That is u cos theta whole square plus u sin theta minus gt
Whole square.
whole square. That's it.
Yes.
This is the velocity vector. This is a speed or magnitude of velocity vector.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude of then how to write position vector of the projectile. Second step is position vector of the
Yes, sir.
given. Again, S vector is equal to, that is position vector or R vector, some people call it R vector, is equal to Sx I cap, that means x direction displacement I cap, plus
Yes.
S y direction displacement J cap.
Okay.
What is S direction displacement? S direction displacement can be written as ut plus half ad square. A is 0, horizontal direction.
Yes, sir.
That
Half G.
uxt I cap plus sy is what? Ut plus half at square. That means
Yes.
uyt minus g by 2 square into j cap.
Yes, sir.
That is
Understood.
equal to u cos theta into t I cap plus u sin theta into t minus g by 2 t square j cap.
Yes, sir.
If displacement magnitude is asked, what is the displacement magnitude?
Under root
Vector
of u cos
under root.
theta square plus u sin theta minus half gt square whole square.
That's it. U cos theta whole square, u cos theta t whole square plus u sin theta t minus g by 2 t square
Yes,
whole
sir.
square.
Done.
That's it. Okay. You need to find out, figure by whatever I taught you in the first class, that is enough to solve entire concepts of this problem in this topic.
Understood.
Just its extension, different ways of writing which will help you in examination. Just I'm trying to find out the conclusions. That's it. Next, the important application is how to write equation of trajectory. This you might have studied also.
Yes, sir.
For not only this topic, this equation of trajectory can be asked by you in other topics also. If examiner wants to twist you in the sense, it wants to ask you a new question, just how your basics are strong or not. So equation of trajectory, how to write, I'll just teach you here. So we know that x is equal to, but how the particle will go in the air. Suppose this is x-axis you took, this is y-axis you took. This is the motion that we have found. My entire motion, it is not
Yes.
exactly depicting, but similar to this projectile motion. Similar to this motion, something will be. So there is a curve, isn't it? It is
Yes.
actually depicting a curve. So suppose in mathematics, if you draw a straight line, there will be an equation to it or not.
Yes, sir.
If you draw any circle, there is an equation to that circle or not
Yes, sir.
in that coordinate system. If you draw an ellipse, you have an equation to an ellipse.
Yes, sir.
Like that, this projectile will also have an equation. The motion of that particle can also be represented by an equation. That equation is the equation of trajectory. The equation of trajectory, x is equal to we have known u cos theta into t, y is equal to u sin theta into t minus g by 2 t.
Yes,
Now, to find out the equation of trajectory, what should I do is, they are common in time frame, isn't it? There will be, if there is a particular x coordinate, if you say a particular x coordinate, there is a particular y coordinate or not?
Yes, sir.
If you put a value of x, there will be a value of y or not?
Yes, sir.
At a given point of time, suppose this is after 2 seconds, it is here. For 2 seconds, the y and x are fixed or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is 4 seconds. For the fourth second, y and x are fixed or not?
Yes, sir.
So we have to eliminate the time coordinate which is common in both of them and get the equation in x and
Y.
y. That's it. Whatever new variable is there, you eliminate it in terms of x and y. Then you will get equation in relation of x and y. That is called as equation of
Trajectory.
trajectory. Even if some new question is asked also, you should be able to figure out and just write an equation. So this from here, from first equation, this is 1 I'll take, this is 2 I'll take. From first equation, what I'll do is t is equal to x by u cos theta, can I write?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to u cos theta, sorry, this is u sin theta into t can be replaced by x by
U cos theta.
minus g by 2 into t square can be replaced by x
by
square by
square.
u square cos square theta. That's it. Awesome. Then what can we write? U cancel, x tan theta minus g by 2 x square by u square cos square theta. This is actually equation of projectile.
Yes, sir.
It is as simple as that. But now, this, suppose you see, for a given projectile, after a ball is thrown, this theta is fixed or not? At which
Yes.
angle the particle is thrown?
Yes, sir.
So if theta is fixed there, tan theta is a constant,
Yes, sir.
cos theta is a constant.
Yes, sir.
After the ball is thrown, u is also a constant.
The whole thing will be constant, sir, rather than x square.
G is a constant, 2 is a constant. So I can write it as y is equal to something a
A
into x
minus
plus
b.
into minus b into x square, if you can write. If you compare this with b, if I'm writing as b minus g by 2 u square cos square, ax plus bx square, can I write? Plus or minus, it's okay. What you are defining the constant. This b can be defined as minus g by 2 u square cos square theta, or b can be defined as g by 2 u square cos square theta. If b is defined as g by 2 u square cos square theta, then minus should be written.
Yes, sir.
That means it is actually like, if you find out mathematical equation of this sort,
Parabola.
this actually represents a parabola. This is an equation. But there are some other ways, because in exams sometimes advanced and mains, these are useful. Matlab in some kind of tougher questions, from this another few conclusions can be drawn. How the conclusions can be drawn? Now, x tan theta I am taking common, okay?
Yes, sir.
If x tan theta I take common, this is 1 minus tan theta if I take common, so I'll multiply it with the tan theta and divide it by tan theta, and multiply it with tan theta, I'll take it as common, okay?
Yes, sir.
Matlab second time I'm multiplying with tan theta, dividing with tan theta I took a common.
Gx square by 2u square.
Gx will be there, x because x is
Yeah, sir. Gx by
1x
2
is 1.
cos square theta into tan theta.
Cos square theta into tan theta, that's good. Cos square theta into tan theta is nothing, sin theta by cos theta.
Sin theta, cos theta, sir.
Cos theta can be cancelled. Then you see there's something relevant you might be finding out. 1 minus g.
X by sin
Listen,
u
you see,
square into theta.
u square
Sin
sin 2 theta.
Yes, sir. If we bring that g down, it will be this one.
What?
Time of flight.
Time of flight. Is it time of flight? This x is there already from top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
U square sin 2 theta by g is what?
1 minute,
Why
sir.
did you forget? You need to revise.
This is always a confusion I will have, sir. Range.
I told you na how to derive it also. The
Yeah,
same
sir.
point of time.
I
Uh,
remember derivation, sir. From the next
you,
time, derivation, only, sir.
you have to be derive it, but you should remember these conclusions also. For
Okay.
standard cases, if new case is given, you will apply whatever I taught you. If standard case is given, you should be careful in directly attempt. Otherwise, even an easy question will be left by you in the
Yes.
examination. U square sine 2 theta by g is what range?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 minus x by r, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
This is another equation,
Um,
because sometimes if position x is given and theta is given, you can easily get r is given, you can easily get y coordinate.
yes, sir.
If x and y are given, you can get r if theta is also given. Anything, any two or three are given and the fourth one can have to be found out. You can easily find out from that projectile.
Yes, sir.
So then this y can be written as again x tan theta into 1 minus x can be written as u cos theta into small t,
Yes,
x
sir.
coordinate.
Yes, sir.
R can be written as u cos theta into capital T, time of flight, total time of flight.
Hmm.
Again, this can be simplified as y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus t by t.
Yes, sir.
If time is given, suppose total time of flight is 8 seconds. Suppose 10 seconds. If if this t small time of flight is 5 seconds. So 5 by 10. So 1 minus 5 by 10 is half. So half into x into tan theta will be the y coordinate.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Understood, sir.
So half into x into tan theta will be the y coordinate. So this relation between x coordinate and y coordinate can be simplified. This will be used for very useful for you in tough exams generally. First equation will be useful generally, but if the examiner wants to test you a bit more, this can be useful. I hope you understood this
Understood.
equation trajectory. Then let a particle is projected, see this question, a particle is projected from the ground with initial speed of 100 meter per second at an angle 53 degrees with horizontal. Find questions. You'll have questions. Time of flight. B is maximum height. C is horizontal range. Then velocity vector at t equal to 4 seconds.
Yes, sir.
When speed at t is equal to 3 seconds. Then finally, equation of trajectory. You can solve this question
Yes, sir.
for practice. Shall we solve?
Yes, sir. I'm already solving it.
Okay, that's nice. You also solve here. I will be solving here.
Sine 53 is 3 by 5, sir.
What? Sine 53. You have to remember. Sine 53. See, you see. There are two values in physics. Actually, if you have studied the topic trigonometry, they'll be
Yes.
useful. One is 37 degrees and other is 53 degrees.
True.
Sine 37, sine is an increasing function. One will be 3 by 5 and other will be 4 by 5. So sine is an increasing function. So this will be 3 by 5. This should be 4 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Cos is a decreasing function. So for cos 37, that is 4 by 5. Cos
Okay.
53, that is 3 by 5. So
Yes, sir.
sine should increase, cos should decrease with that
Yes.
increase in angle from 0 to 90. So sine 53 will be 4 by 5. So time of flight, how much will be the time of flight?
16, sir.
2u y by g, that
Yes,
is
sir.
2u sin theta by g. That is 2 into u is how much? 100 into
100
sin theta is 4 by
10.
g. And g, assume it has to be 10. So then 5 2s are 4 4s are 16. So the 16 second is time of flight. So in a
Yes.
similar way, maximum height is how much?
U
What
square
is the
sin
formula for maximum height?
by 2g.
Square uy square by 2g, that is u square sin square theta. You don't try to remember a sin square theta and all, you might forget. What I used to do, maximum height in general case is what? Vertical velocity case, u square by 2g.
Yes, sir.
That means, but here u is what? Uy square by 2g.
Yes, sir.
Uy is what? U sin theta whole square. That is
Yes.
u square sin square theta by 2g. You will not forget now. In this way, if you study, there will not be any confusion now. So if you apply, this will be 100 square into sin square theta is 16 by 25 by 2 by 20. 4 4s are 4 5s are. What is the answer?
320, sir.
Answer is
320.
320 meters. That's good. Horizontal range is what? Horizontal range is u cos theta into t. That is capital time. U cos theta into 2u sin theta by g. That will
Yes.
become u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. That is u square sin 2 theta by g. U
By G.
square sin 2 theta by g is 100 square into sin 2 theta is sin 50.
106.
Directly use here 106, it is difficult. So directly use the formula 2 sin theta cos theta.
Theta. Yes, sir.
2 into sin theta is 4 by 5.
Hmm.
Cos theta is 3 by 5
Perfect.
by g. The answer will be
1 second, sir.
meters, 16 seconds.
16 by 5.
16 by 5. No, it will be around 960 meters. You just check it out.
Okay, sir.
Just check it out.
Nineteen 20, sir.
1920. Check 100 into 100 into 2 into 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 10. 10,
Yes, sir.
10 cancel. Then that is 5,
25.
5 2s are okay. Then this is 5 20s are.
Yes,
So
sir.
2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are
48.
48 to 20s are. The 480 into 2.
Yes, sir.
Answer
960.
is 960. Okay. The answer is 960 meters.
Yes, sir. Little bit calculation mistake I've got here.
You write here. But calculation should not go for you as a student.
Yes,
For
sir.
me, it costs you more than me, isn't it? For me, if I don't teach concept and analysis properly, it will cost me. But for you, if calculations go wrong as a student, it doesn't cost me. If I just make a mistake, it's okay here for me because I'm not writing the exam.
Yes, sir.
But as a student, it should not go. You should be very sharp and quick.
Yes, sir.
You have to pay huge cost to it.
I know. I've done
So what you need to do, you don't think what I am unable to do. You just think what can I do further.
Okay, sir.
What can I do? Matlab I can just wherever calculations are there, I will not leave the questions. let the last point, till the last point I will calculate and tick the answer. In your practice, if you make this as a habit, so slowly the errors that might creep in when you're calculating will automatically go off, because your mind is attuned to calculating.
Yes, sir.
It's not that you don't know calculations. It's just if you don't practice number of questions with final solving the calculation, with final calculation solving, so your mind gets attuned to it. So suddenly in examination, calculation props up, your mind is not habituated to solving it. So the high chances of errors creeping.
Yes, sir.
So you don't think, I will do wrong here. No, you just try to solve every calculation possible while during your exams and practice papers, or when you're preparing. So slowly within 2-3 weeks, your calculations generally don't go wrong. Error percentage will decrease.
Yes, sir.
Velocity vector at t equal to 4 seconds. Velocity vector, how to write?
Under root of
No, I told you velocity vector. Vector is what? Vx I cap
j cap.
plus Ey j cap. Vx
Yes.
is what? U cos theta into t. U cos theta is what? 100 into 3 by 5
By
I cap plus U sin theta minus gt. That is 100 into 4 by 5 minus g is 10 into t is 4
Yes, sir.
into j cap. So what is the answer here? 60 I cap plus 80 minus 40.
Minus 60.
80 minus 40, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 80 minus 40.
So 40 j cap.
Yes, sir.
So if this is the velocity vector. If speed is asked, root over 60 square plus 40 square.
Yes, sir.
Here 3 seconds speed is asked. So again we will find out velocity vector on the speed here. What will be the velocity vector?
Velocity
100
vector.
into the velocity vector is 100 into 3 by 5. Again 60 I cap will come because it is constant throughout the motion.
Yes, sir.
Here 100 into 4 by 5 minus 10 into 3, 30. That is 80 minus 30. 50 j cap.
Yes, sir.
So speed is nothing but root over 60 square plus 50 square is the answer.
Yes, sir.
That was the answer. Just I gave you this question so that all the equations that we have learned, you will try to apply once.
Yes, sir.
Equation of trajectory.
Ax plus bx square. Equation of trajectory is y is equal to ax plus.
Ax plus bx. A is b is different there. Y is equal to x tan theta minus g by 2 u square cos square theta.
Yes, sir.
So here if you apply this, y is equal to x into tan theta is how much? Sin theta by cos theta is 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
4 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 minus g by 2 u square. U square is 100 square. Cos square theta is how much?
3 by
Cos square
5.
theta whole square.
Yes, sir.
That is 9 by 25.
25.
You can solve this equation, or otherwise another way of simple solving I told you. Y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus t by capital T.
Yes, sir.
So, or otherwise 1 minus x by r.
Range.
So what is that 1 minus x by r? X tan theta is how much? 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Into 1 minus x by r is what? R is already we have find out 960. So answer will be like this.
Understood.
So if x is known, y can be known for easily here.
Yes, sir.
4 by 3 x into 1 minus x by 960. That's it. From this, if x is known, y can be known very easily.
Yes,
or y
sir.
is known, x can be known easily. Okay. Then, wait a minute. The question is, a particle is projected from the ground with initial speed u at an angle of projection theta. Find the time when the velocity of projectile is perpendicular to the initial velocity of the particle.
Yes, sir.
That means initial velocity is like this something.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it angle theta u? So now slowly the particle will move like this in projectile as we have studied.
Yes, sir.
Now that everywhere the particle will have some velocity vector which is actually a tangent to this projectile. Suppose
Yes,
here
sir.
if you want to see tangent here, if you want to see here tangent to here to that point in the curve, you draw a tangent that is a velocity vector.
Yes, sir.
So now at some point there is some kind of vector like this, for suppose now this I am extending just as a vector direction. At some point there is a velocity vector like this,
Which will be a tangent to that point.
which will be actually perpendicular to this point.
Um,
This angle is actually what?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So what is the basic fundamental point that examiner is expecting from you here?
Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees.
No, that is not this point. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is what? For the same two different angles, range is equal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You remember the fundamental also. It doesn't mean whenever I teach you, remember that same point and forget whatever conditions I told.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition I told you? If
Different
for a given
angles.
velocity, there are two different angles of projection. For the range to be equal, here where is the range to be equal? I drew the two diagrams also.
Yes, sir.
Angles are different, but two diagrams where in range is this only. This question, here the point is two vectors. Two vectors are perpendicular. Do you know this point?
Yes, sir.
If two vectors, a very, very important point, 5-star point. If
Dot
two,
product is 0.
if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0.
I know this, sir.
In maths, you remember, or physics you remember?
In maths only, sir.
Maths you remember. Very important point in physics also. So two vectors. First initial vector is what? U vector is equal to U cos theta
into
I cap plus U sin theta into
JK.
J cap. What is V vector I told you at any some point? U cos theta will remain same
Into
plus U sin theta minus
minus G by 2 T square. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GT, velocity I have to write.
Yes, sir.
So now what should I do? Both of their dot product should be equal to 0.
0.
That means what should I do? U dot V is equal to 0. This is an important condition here.
Yes, sir.
So when I multiply, what should I do?
Equated to 0.
Ux, Vx
Yes, sir.
plus Uy, Vy. Answer is
U
what? U square
doing it, sir.
cos
U
square theta plus U square sin square theta minus U sin theta.
Sin theta is equal to U by GT, sir.
Okay, then U square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Is equal to U sin theta into GT. U can be cancelled. That implies T is equal to U by
G sin theta. Yes, sir.
this is the conclusion. At the time T is equal to U by G sin theta, the velocity vector and this velocity vector will be perpendicular to each other. That's it.
Yes, sir.
This fundamental point is used here.
Understood, sir.
Then there's another question I dictate. Here the question is, a particle is projected from ground with initial speed u. If the minimum speed of the particle during its motion is half of the initial speed, then find time of flight, maximum height, and horizontal range.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the important point, critical point here? After reading the question, what did you identify?
A particle, it is projected with initial speed u. So if you take minimum speed as s, then the half will be s by 2.
Okay.
Then
First
time
thing
of
is, okay. Then minimum speed, you need to equate minimum speed with u, na?
yes,
Half of initial speed.
yes, sir.
Where will the minimum speed occur?
Starting
What will be the minimum speed?
minimum speed. Maximum will be 9.8, no, sir.
Acceleration due to maximum or minimum what? Acceleration due to gravity will remains constant throughout the
Constant.
motion. Speed. Where will it occur? How much will it? How much is that minimum speed? That's what I'm asking you.
It occurs when the ball is going to drop at some point, it will occur there, no, sir.
Drop. What drop?
When you project that ball, it is going to fall somewhere, no, sir. So when it is falling, then
When it is falling means what? Matlab, at the topmost point you want to convey.
yes, sir.
You have to convey that way. Falling means what? It is falling throughout the motion. So the important point here to consider is the minimum speed will occur at the topmost point. How much? Because you gave an energy, kinetic energy, slowly it will decrease and convert into potential. And again at maximum point, the potential is maximum. And again after maximum point, slowly the potential will get converted into kinetic. So the maximum point, kinetic will be minimum, potential will be maximum. So if kinetic will be minimum means there will be minimum speed there.
Yes, sir.
Minimum at the topmost point, how much will be there? First conclusion is this point I conveyed just with this question. If I would have conveyed in a letter statement, you might not have remembered it actually.
Yes, sir.
Minimum at the topmost point, how much will it be? Question u by 2 is there. What is minimum speed? At topmost point, what is the velocity?
0.
That is another mistake that students do here. Topmost point, vertical velocity is 0, but horizontal velocity will remain constant throughout the motion, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Topmost point, there will be horizontal velocity, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you draw the projectile, this vertical velocity will become 0. Topmost, and again it slowly keeps on increasing. But horizontal will remain constant throughout the motion. And at topmost point, velocity will be like this exactly because vertical component is 0.
0.
So only horizontal component is there. You got this fundamental point? Topmost point, there will be minimum speed, and that is only due to horizontal component. And what is that horizontal component? U cos theta, because it will not change because there is no horizontal acceleration. Initial horizontal velocity will be the horizontal velocity of this projectile motion throughout this projectile. Horizontal, that is what wonderful question is. Huh?
Yes, sir.
This u cos theta is the minimum speed that should be equal to how much?
U by 2.
From the given question. This is where the question has come. From the
Yes.
question, you analyze these 2 points. So u cos theta is equal to u by 2. U use cancel. Then cos theta is equal to half.
Theta
Cos
is
theta is half. Then you can easily get time of flight.
yes, sir.
Maximum height, horizontal right. Time of flight is what? 2u sin theta by g.
Yes,
2u
sir.
sin theta is what? How much? If cos theta is 1 by 2, sin theta is how much?
Root 3 by
4 minus root 3 by 2. So 2u sin theta is root 3 by 2. 2u sin theta by g. This is t cancel. The answer is what? Time of flight is
root 3
root
U.
3 by g.
Yes.
Maximum height is what? U square Sine square, maximum height is u square, u square by 2g, that is uy square by 2g, that means u square sine square theta by 2g.
2g.
U square sine square theta is what, how much?
3/4.
3/4 by 2g. 2g is, okay, gl, just keep it like this. Answer will be 3u square by 8g, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal range is what?
U
U
cos
square
theta.
sine 2 theta by g.
Hmm.
Or otherwise u square 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta is how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos theta is how much? 1 by 2
1/2.
by 2. The answer is 2 to cancel. So
Root
root 3 u square by 2g.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The answers are 3 answers. Just here, I want to convey that wonderful fundamental point. Minimum speed, where will it occur and how much is it? And that is horizontal speed that will remain constant.
Yes, sir.
It's 2-star mark point. Okay. Then 50.